The multiple roles that women play. Noman's father, Arshad Sikandar, works in the development sector. Over the last many months, he has been touring the province to gather information for a report he is writing. Noman is hovering around his father asking questions. Noman. Laughing, Daddy. What a funny picture. Where did you find it? Arshad. I found it on the internet. I think it's an interesting picture. It shows the kinds of work women do, sometimes all at the same time. Noman. Looking at the picture again, yes, I can see what you mean. Arshad. You see, I have to present a report at the seminar to be held in Hyderabad next month, on the multiple roles that women play in our society. Noman. What's a seminar, Daddy? Arshad. Taking off his glasses, well, a seminar is like a big meeting where people from different areas, provinces and countries meet together and present reports. In this seminar, experts from different countries will be describing the kind of work that women do in their countries. Noman. Tell me more, please. Arshad. Well, people have always believed that women stay at home and take care of the house while the man works and provides food and other things for the family. Do you agree? Noman. Yes, that's what Mummy does. Arshad. Agreed. But is that an easy job? Take a look at this picture. What is the woman doing? Can you identify the different kinds of household chores she's doing? Noman. Ah, yes. I see what you mean. Arshad. Look closer, how many hands does she have? Noman. She has many hands. Do some women actually have so many hands, Daddy? Arshad. Laughing, no, son. This is just to show that women do a lot of things at the same time or simultaneously. This is called multitasking. Noman. Oh, that's a nice word, multitasking. Arshad. Okay, now tell me, what are the tasks that women do to earn money? Noman. They work as teachers, doctors, or nurses. Arshad. You are right. And this is the point that we all need to understand: no family, no society, and no nation can progress unless women participate in economic activity. Noman. What is economic activity, Daddy? Arshad. It means doing work to earn money. Noman. But Mummy doesn't do that. Arshad. Son, do you see that weaving loom? Your mother is just one of the many women in this region who hand-weave cloth that is sent to the city where clothes are made and sold to customers. And that's not all. Look at your grandmother. What's she doing? Noman. Oh, that's her favorite pastime. She likes to do embroidery. She's always at it. Arshad. True. But do you know that she takes orders and sells the work she does? This work is also taken to the city to be sold at large stores. Noman. I've never thought of that, Daddy. What else do women do to earn money? Arshad. Look around you. The more educated ones work as doctors and teachers. But many of them work in the fields and indirectly earn money for the family. Have you seen how many women pick cotton, while others pluck roses, and yet others cut the crops? They are agricultural workers who are often not paid money, but their work brings in money for the family. Noman. Yes, I see women doing all kinds of work in the fields. They also milk the cows and buffaloes to sell the milk. And they keep hens and sell their eggs. Wow! They participate in a lot of economic activity. I never thought about it. Arshad. In the cities, women work in banks, offices and stores. In fact, many of them work in factories. Noman. Women work in factories. That's surprising. Arshad. Takes out a picture. Here, look at this picture. Can you see what the women are doing? Noman. Now I get it. Actually, women are very active, but we just think that they don't do anything. Arshad. Right. Women are playing a very active role in development. Now the governments have begun to realize that a country cannot really make progress unless women actively contribute in the economy. Noman. This is very interesting. Arshad. What is even more interesting is that when women earn money, they usually spend it more on the health care and education of their children. Noman. So, we can say that women are playing a major role in the progress and development of our country. Arshad. Exactly. Hence, women must be encouraged to acquire education so that they can become more productive members of the society. Noman. What you are saying is that we must encourage our girls to study and adopt different professions, if they want to do so. Arshad. Patting his son on the shoulder, exactly. Now run along and think about this while I work on my report. Noman. One last question, Daddy. Arshad. Yes? Noman. Can I go to the seminar with you? I want to hear more about women and how they contribute to nation building. Arshad. I will have to ask for permission from the organizers, so I can't promise, but I will definitely try to take you along.